Work out the perimeter and the area of the triangle ABC. So we know what this length is and what this length is, but we don't know this length. However, we can find it using Pythagoras' theorem. So using Pythagoras' theorem, AB squared plus AC squared is equal to BC. So AB plus AC is equal to the longest side. So we've got AB squared, so we've got the longest side, so we need to do 163.8 squared, and then we need to subtract 63 squared. Working that out on my calculator, I get 22,861.44, so I do 163.8 squared minus 63 squared. That gives me AB squared. I want to find AB. So AB will be the square root of 22,861.44, which gives me 151.2 centimetres. So we'll just mark that on here. Right, the perimeter is the distance round the outside of the shape. So I just need to add these three lengths together. So the perimeter is going to be equal to 63 plus 151.2 plus 163.8, so we'd add that up, we're going to get 378 centimetres. The area of a triangle is half base times height. It's perpendicular height, but we know this is right angle. So it's half base times height, so it's going to be a half times 63 times 151.2. And don't round this answer off in this part of the calculation. That gives me 4,762.8 centimetres squared, or to three significant figures, 4,760 centimetres squared to three significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to find the perimeter and the area of a triangle using Pythagoras theorem to find a missing length. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.